In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. Notion works best as your single source of truth for guides, meeting notes, and standard operating procedures. By embedding ClickUp, you can place live tasks, deadlines, and project views right beside that documentation. This keeps everyone aligned on both the why and the what, and it cuts down on constant tab switching. Think of it as combining deep knowledge with real-time execution in one clean workspace. Start by logging in to ClickUp. Take a moment to enter your email and password carefully. Most login roadblocks come from tiny typos. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to avoid mistakes. Once you're in, confirm you're looking at the correct workspace so the content you embed matches the project you'll reference in Notion. Open the exact view or task you want to place in Notion. This could be a list, a board, a calendar, a timeline, or a single task. Before you share it, set it up the way you want your team to see it. Adjust filters and columns so the most important details are front and center. This little bit of prep makes a huge difference once it's embedded. Next, ensure this view or task is shared via a public link. Use the share controls in ClickUp to enable the public link for that specific item. Take a moment to confirm what becomes visible, because anyone with the link can access it. If the audience is broad, keep the view high level. If you're embedding a specific task, scan the description and comments to make sure you're comfortable surfacing them. When everything looks good, copy the URL. Head over to Notion and open the page where the embed belongs. Maybe a project brief, a sprint plan, or your team's dashboard. Paste the ClickUp URL directly into the page. Notion will recognize it and prompt you to create embed. Select that and let it load. You should now see the live ClickUp content appear in line with your notes. Resize the window so it's easy to use. Drag the edges to make it wider or taller, aiming for a layout that shows the essential columns or the full task details with minimal scrolling. If something looks off, return to ClickUp. Tweak the view or filters, and the embed will reflect those changes as it refreshes. That's it. Log in, open the view or task, enable a public link, copy the URL, paste it in Notion, create the embed, and resize. If you found value in today's video, hitting like really helps others discover our content. Drop a note in the comments with what you enjoyed or how we can improve. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.